Get paid for surveys. Why leading marketing research companies want to pay you for your honest opinions. Paid surveys online every day is a great way to build your online business. So many people are flocking to work from home in 2020 due to rising gas costs, saving more time for the family, etc. What people fail to realize is a business exists in regards to following a passion of sharing your opinion with surveys. When a company reaches out to a sample company, they want to utilize the over 80 years of experience market research companies have in this area. Whether it is increasing sales, help with an ad, finding the right price point for a product or service, or the countless other areas of interest for the business. Over the years I have learned what it all basically boils down to is cost. Whether it is how much the sample company will save them in the long run versus the cost of the actual survey campaigns, etc. The sample companies are so good these days they can almost guarantee success with a particular product or service. Many have computer programs that are able to predict future sales based on global survey campaigns. The data received after a quantitative survey campaign is injected into a computer and all kinds of good results is handed over to the buyer. The results are then utilized by the decision makers to make changes or to just leave everything as is. The relationship between buyer and sample company is vital for this process. The more hands on the sample company is, the better it is for the buyers. This is why the market research industry is a billion-dollar industry year after year. When participants take a particular survey, they are blind to many of the facts that go on beyond the scenes. They sign up for a program thinking they are going to make some quick cash and then wonder why they get disqualified for trying to rush through a survey. Sometimes they do not think of the cost associated when creating the surveys nor the importance of the information from your honest answers. The information a survey participant supplies is crucial for the project or study that is ongoing. Being accurate throughout your survey experiences will also open up doors for more high-paying paid surveys that would not have been accessible if you did not exhibit ethical behavior throughout. Taking the paid online surveys every day allows a person to build their profile with particular survey companies faster. Making time to take your surveys on your laptop or mobile devices will help you to achieve financial success in an area you're passionate about. Over time, the higher paid surveys will be consistently asked of you because you have a huge reputation for ethical behaviors while taking them. For sign up, please check the link below in description and start getting paid today. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.